Why am I on the planet right now? We're in Earth School. We're here to learn and to evolve. So this means we're transcending the plane of duality, because this is what we live in, right? This world is duality. It's opposites. There's opposites. So we live in a world of opposites. So the spiritual journey is about transcending duality, this or that. And also transcending the ego, the mind, or the not self. So what's not you. Integrating unconscious fears, which are your shadows, and to live as your higher self. And ultimately, you want to love yourself and others without conditions, right? And that's what my channel's all about. It's using astrology and human design with this. This is the baseline of like keeping us growing and evolving and learning. So what is the ego? Just quickly, it's the voice in your head you believe is you. It creates a self-image, a mental self-image, an identity that's not you. This is the illusion. The ego drains your energy and keeps you out of your power because it takes a lot of energy to hold up, bolster up these ego identities because they're false. So here's the Aquarian age consciousness is pressuring us. That's what we're going through on the planet right now, to let go of these ego identities. So the pressure that we're feeling on the planet now, and the losses and the challenges and the, right? It's all about like we've got to let go. We have to surrender these ego identities because they're false, right? They're not authentic. They're not true. The age of Aquarius is the age of truth. It keeps you out of your power, your true power. The ego's losing power. The last 2,000 years have been ruled by this ego. Very destructive energy, and people would gain power through destroying. And then the ego also interprets what you're seeing out in the world. So you're listening to this, you believe this voice is you. And then you're busy chasing its projection for happiness and peace, right? This will make you happy. This will make you peaceful. And it's fueled by emotions. So here's how you do the shadow work. You go inside and then you spot that ego. There's the relationship between your higher self and the ego. So this is why meditation is so great. A sadhana practice is good because it builds that relationship. Like, oh, that's not me. That voice in my head isn't me. Feel, because every identity comes with emotions, fuels this identity, this ego that's not you. So you feel them, and then this ego identity will start to dissolve, right, into the light of your awareness. And then this in turn expands you into your higher self. And this is being peaceful and happy for no reason. That's what the expansion feels like. And this is what we all want, but we're listening to this ego that's telling us, oh, you want peace, you want happiness? Well, you got to go chase this relationship, right? You've got to go chase this career. Get this title. Oh, you've got to chase the dollar. That's a big one, right? You need so many dollars in the bank, and then you can feel peaceful. But that doesn't get you happiness and peace, because it's on to the next thing. Because then the fear is you have it, you're going to lose it. This is the duality. If I have something in the external, the duality is I'm going to lose it. So the fear of losing it. This is the way to go to true peace and happiness, is to go to your higher self, to your soul. This is what we're really seeking, but we've listened to this liar in our head, deceptive liar in our head that's pointing us outside, that's keeping us in a wild goose chase, taking body after body after body, incarnation after incarnation, this desire of wanting peace and happiness, right? But we're looking the wrong way. We're looking the wrong direction. We have to come back to ourselves. With the emotions coming up, right? This is we're evolving through the emotional body. So this is getting triggered. This emotional body is getting triggered. And so the ego wants you to stop from entering the emotional body by blaming everything outside of you. This is why I'm feeling this. That person is why I'm feeling this. So again, remember that everything that we see out there, this is what's creating it. These are emotional memories that emotional triggers that are coming up, right? To be felt. This is the cause. And then the effect is some kind of circumstance or event or challenge in your life is manifested on the external. But the ego has us fixated on the physical details. I've got to control the physical details instead of like, oh, I've got to go to the root of this and go inside and feel the emotions that are coming up.